Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Pioneer VSX534 home audio smart AV receiver before you make a choice on your next home theater upgrade. We've done comprehensive research to bring you everything you need to know, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. In this video we'll evaluate the VSX534's performance, price point, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Pioneer VSX534 absolutely shines with its Dolby Atmos and DTS:X playback capabilities, delivering next-generation object-based audio that creates truly immersive and interactive sound experiences. This 5.2-channel receiver supports 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos configuration, bringing cinema-quality audio right into your living room. With a current rating of 4.2 stars on Amazon, it's clear that home theater enthusiasts and casual viewers alike are finding exceptional value in this smart receiver. What makes the VSX534 particularly impressive is its implementation of Dolby Atmos height virtualizer technology. Even without dedicated height or surround speakers, you can still experience remarkable virtual 3D surround effects that add vertical dimension to your audio. The DTS Virtual X processing works similarly, creating an enveloping soundstage that fills your room with precisely positioned audio elements. For those building their first home theater system or upgrading from older equipment, this means you don't need to invest in additional speakers immediately to enjoy premium audio quality. The receiver's 4K Ultra HD pass-through capabilities support HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision with HDCP 2.2 compliance, ensuring you're fully equipped for today's premium content and tomorrow's standards. Whether you're streaming the latest 4K movies or gaming on next-generation consoles, the VSX534 maintains pristine video quality while processing advanced audio formats simultaneously. Bluetooth connectivity adds modern convenience to this traditional powerhouse. The receiver seamlessly remembers your paired devices and automatically starts playback when it detects an incoming Bluetooth audio stream. This smart feature eliminates the hassle of manual connection every time you want to stream music from your phone, tablet, or PC. One standout feature that sets the VSX534 apart is its personal preset functionality. By pressing the dedicated button on the front panel for 3 seconds, you can save your current settings including volume level and listening mode. With support for up to 3 presets accessible from both the front panel and remote control, switching between movie night settings and music listening preferences becomes effortless. The unique range control feature demonstrates Pioneer's attention to detail and user experience. This mid-range sound control allows independent volume adjustments specifically for dialogue frequencies in films using simple up-down keys on the remote. Furthermore, this means crystal-clear conversations even during explosive action sequences, solving one of home theater's most common complaints. Pioneer has also improved the physical design, making the VSX534 12% slimmer than its predecessor for easier installation in entertainment centers. The front panel includes helpful indicators like a 4K status light and clearly labeled Bluetooth input buttons, making operation intuitive for all family members. However, one notable downside some users may find is the lack of built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. While Bluetooth handles most streaming needs admirably, those wanting to integrate the receiver into a comprehensive smart home ecosystem might need to consider additional networking solutions. Additionally, the VSX534 excels in its calibration simplicity and room correction capabilities, though it uses Pioneer's more basic setup compared to higher-end models. The included microphone and on-screen setup guide make initial configuration straightforward, typically taking under 30 minutes to optimize for your specific room acoustics. You got it, so that's it for the best budget-friendly Dolby Atmos receiver on the market for this year. Like, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.